God, that looks good.
Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumber Barbecue. If you've never made smoked desserts, you're definitely missing out. I made these 3 super simple and delicious desserts on my smoker. And I'm going to show you how I did it. I'll start with a smoked bread pudding. I'll be using 12 glazed donuts and 2 pints of your favorite vanilla ice cream. Using melted ice cream is a delicious way of making a quick custard. All we'll have to add is 4 eggs. I'll start with greasing a 9-inch square aluminum pan. And we'll just break up our dozen donuts directly into the pan. To make the custard, we'll use 2 pints of your favorite vanilla ice cream, extra credit if it's Bluebell. Then we'll just add 4 beaten eggs. Just give that a good mix. And we'll pour it directly onto our donut pieces. Now just grab a spoon and make sure all those delicious donuts are totally submerged in that vanilla custard. Now this needs to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until all that liquid is absorbed. This is what it looks like after about 20 minutes. We'll be smoking this today at 350 degrees. The smoker's up to temp, so let's get it out on the pit. This will smoke at 350 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. While this is smoking, let's make the next dessert. I'll be making a smoked peanut butter and chocolate brownie with candied bacon. To make the candied bacon, I'll just be using brown sugar and maple syrup. I'll be cooking the bacon on a foil-lined sheet tray. This will be cooking on the smoker as well. Just go ahead and line the sheet tray with the bacon, and we'll brush on this maple syrup. And then we'll sprinkle on some brown sugar. I'll add some cayenne for a little extra kick. This will go in the smoker at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. After those 15 minutes, we'll pull it off, flip it over, add more maple syrup, and more brown sugar. Now back on the smoker for another 15 to 20 minutes till it's a nice dark color. Now I'll just set this to the side to cool. Let's go check on that bread pudding. It's done when it's spongy on top, 170 degrees internal. While that's cooling, let's make these brownies. I'm using this Reese's brownie mix. I'll go ahead and make the brownies per the package instructions. Now that that's done, we'll go ahead and chop up our candied bacon to go inside. Add as much bacon as you want. I'm going with about 1/4 to 1/3 cup. And just mix it in. Now just grease another tray and we'll spread that brownie mix inside. Now this will go on the smoker at 325 degrees, about 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Now we'll let this cool and make our final dessert. The last dessert I'm making is smoked honey buns. Now I don't claim to have invented this. There's a barbecue food truck in the Houston area that has a cult following with these smoked honey buns. I thought I'd make it also. I'll just put 4 of these honey buns on a foil lined tray, back in the smoker, 275 degrees, 15 or 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, these are soft and gooey. I'm really excited about these. All right, we've made our 3 smoked desserts. Let's get them on a plate and give them a try. I'll start with this bread pudding. Give it a little drizzle with some caramel. Next, we'll add our maple candied bacon brownie and our smoked honey bun. A little drizzle with some melted cream cheese frosting. And why not use some of those leftover candied bacon pieces?
That looks actually amazing.
Do we get to eat some?
We better.
I'll start with a bite of this smoked donut and melted ice cream bread pudding. It's the perfect bread pudding texture, not too smoky. Now let's try this bacon brownie. Still moist inside. That's a good brownie. All right, the last thing is this smoked honey bun. Still warm, still gooey. Let's take a bite. Smoky, sweet, salty, savory. That's a good bite. Well, I hope you enjoyed these 3 super easy smoked desserts. I can honestly say I would make all 3 again. The family loved them and so did I. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave me a comment, let me know what other videos you want to see, and thanks for watching.